Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, November 16th, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day, and glad you're tuned with us here for another edition of Talking Fitchburg. Take advantage of that warm weather today. It's going to get cooler coming up in the weekend. Not bad, just saying. 60s versus 40s. Minor difference. All right, here's the headlines we got for you. We start with prescribed fire and Prairie restoration work at Wildwood Park South coming up. Jensen Equality has, Oncology has been contracted by the city of Fitchburg to restore Prairie at the Wildwood Park South. As part of the restoration site prep, Jensen intends to burn the prairie in the fall of 2023 and or the spring of 2024. The burn would be conducted when winds are favorable, so not allowed for smoke onto Muchler Road and or residents adjacent to the park. The exact date of the burn is not yet known due to the weather uncertainties. City of Fitchburg social media has been sent out, and any further questions you can contact either Jensen or Anna Healy from the City of Fitchburg. Information is on your screen, and if we know, we'll pass that along to you as well, but we want you to be ready. Curbside collection will be delayed by one day next week because of the holiday. Curbside collection of solid waste, refuse, and or recycling will be delayed by one day following Thanksgiving holiday. Thursday routes will be collected on Friday, and Friday's routes will be collected on Saturday. This is because of Thanksgiving. You can check the holiday pickup and any other info on our collection, curbside collection, at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. We're contracted with Pelletary Services for that pickup. Registration is open now for the Holiday Lights Tour. Starting to putting those lights decorations up. Well, there's going to be some great warm decorating days ahead. If you haven't taken advantage of it, today might be the day. Either way, homeowners and businesses with holiday spirit should join in the Holiday Lights Tour. All you have to do is email administration at fitchburgwi.gov with your name and address, including you'd like to participate in our tour. It's that easy. We'll compile the list for a map of locations and make them available on December 15th. This year, the tour will be held December 15th through the 17th. Entire weekend of fun. You can learn more by visiting our page that's set up at Facebook Events. Participants' addresses must be received by December 13th at noon if you want to be taking part in the Holiday Light Tour, showcasing your house or business. Sidewalk replacement project continues through December 1st. So the program is intended to bring defective sidewalk up to current standards. It doesn't mean that all sidewalks will be replaced. Sidewalks that are selected for replacement are based on trip hazards pose a result of displaced cracks, settings, or having other factors. City sidewalk inspectors will use pink paint and put an X on the damaged sections. Arrows and dashes indicate multiple sections for removal. The final decision on a slab and removal is going to be made at the time of construction when the sides are exposed. Please contact Public Works at 608-301-6431. You can email Zach, who's on this project, with any questions regarding the marked sections. The replacement is being done by BMD Concrete Innovations. The work is scheduled that started back in October 19th and is anticipated to complete it by December 1st. Please note, these dates are subject to change due to weather, although the weather's been pretty nice. So we've been pretty lucky not to have to worry about it too much, but be on the lookout. It is Winter Weather Awareness Week in Wisconsin, and today focusing on snow squalls. That's right, it says here, we're talking about snow squalls, that's all. In February of 2022, all of southern Wisconsin had a legit snow squall for a 30 to 60 minute period with whiteout conditions, rapidly dropping temperatures, and very high winds. When these conditions occur, we issue a snow squall warning, which triggers the wireless emergency alerts on your phone. Pull over and wait for these when they are issued. Yeah, it was a complete whiteout. I have taped those at home and was able to film the whiteout coming in. It is crazy to see, and yeah, you need to be ready for that. You should also consider this: should you wash your turkey? Question? Well, we have an answer for you. No! Washing or rinsing any meat or poultry is not recommended. It actually increases cross-contamination and germs in your food prepping area, so don't do it. Have a great day.